Good day, student. Welcome to the subject ICT, Software Application and Network System used in Seagoing Ship. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Engineer Alan A. Roberto, a licensed Marine Engineer Officer and a licensed electrical practitioner. In this time of pandemic, learning should not stop. That's why our dear institution, John B. Lacson Foundation Maritime University, MOLO, has adopted the blending learning approach, meaning we will be conducting our classes in online, modular, and scheduled face-to-face. Learning activities will be utilizing chat messaging through social media such as Facebook, WeChat, Viber, and the like. The JBLFMU Learning Management System, LMS, will principally be anchored on Moodle and on Zoom for virtual online classes. Nowadays, computer technology plays an important role in daily operations on board a ship. From computer programs, which acts as a brain of automation and controls of the engine room machineries, to preparation of ship documents and reports. At the end of this course, you will be able to effectively use computer applications for documents on board, manage computer networks, and troubleshoot computers as per manufacturer's instruction. I will now introduce to you the topics of the entire semester: computer parts and functions, software, computer operations, computer connections, topologies, network management and troubleshooting, rules and policies in this course, classroom and virtual class attendance and participation. Since this course is on flexible learning mode, face-to-face and virtual classes, participation in doing e-learning activities is required that can be construed as an attendance in this course. Absence or failure to reply to email or engage in a discussion or chat, for example, is lack of participation. Therefore, all students must participate actively in virtual or physical classes and submit all required outputs on or before the due dates in order for the attendance to be noted. Student Code of Conduct. Treat all other students, instructors, and guests with dignity and respect in face-to-face interactions in an electronic online communications. Comply with the information technology policies of the institution. Comply with the cheating and plagiarism policies of the institution and this course. Violations will result in dismissal from the course with a failing grade and may result in dismissal from the institution. Participate respectfully in team collaborations and team projects. Participate respectfully and professionally in peer reviews. Academic honesty. Since this course will be utilizing e-learning approach, it is possible for the students to collaborate with each other when taking online tests or doing outputs and assigned activities. Dishonesty such as letting someone do your assigned task, reproducing others' work, printing and distributing copies of online activities, copying and pasting informations without proper citation, and other forms of cheating and plagiarizing will be given appropriate sanctions. Be responsible towards intellectual rights, policy, and copyright laws. Email policies. Excessive email make unreasonable time demands on both sender and recipient. Please ensure you have a legitimate need before you write. I will answer only email about questions arising from difficulty in understanding course content, requests for feedback about graded assignments, private issues appropriate for discussions within the teacher-student relationship. I will not answer email which possess question answered in the course information sections of the course site, lacks a subject line clearly stating the purpose of the email, raises an inappropriate subject. I will answer only email received on a given day, no later than close of work on the next work day. Read your email every day to assure that you receive course information disseminated by email in a timely fashion. Discussion policies. Forums will have an associated deadline by which time all students must have posted their responses to receive credit for participation. Chats will have a specified time period during which student must participate to receive credit. Students will be graded on discussion postings. Points are earned based on quality of responses in compliance with the required number of postings as specified in the individual assignment instructions. Students are expected to focus on the specific topic of the discussion as assigned. The introduction of irrelevant subject is not permitted. Violators will be asked to leave the discussion and a grade of 0 points will be recorded. All students have the right to express their own opinions in discussions and every other student must respect this right. Any students posting a comments disrespectful of this right will be asked to leave the discussion and a grade of 0 points will be recorded. Flaming is posting abusive or insulting messages. Any students who engage in flaming in a discussion will be required to leave the class. A failing grade of the course will be given. Controlling behavior includes but is not limited to attempts to dominate a discussion by posting threads excessively, intentionally changing the discussion topic, or exhibiting an inappropriate or argumentative attitude. Controlling behavior is not permitted. Violators will be asked to leave the discussion and a grade of 0 points will be recorded. Student required to leave a discussion will be notified of this consequence in a private email. Assignment policies. Students will submit all assignments electronically via instructor's email or based on a given instruction. If there are technical problems in sending through email, assignments can be sent through instructors' messengers and other means. The subject line of the email must include your name, course title, and the title of the assignment. No work received via email will be graded if the subject line is not properly completed. All assignment due dates must be followed. Late assignments will not be accepted. The course software standard for submission of the assignment will be based on the instruction given by the instructor. Assignments not following the given formats will not be accepted. When technical problem occur and you cannot submit your assignment electronically, send an email to your instructor to explain the difficulty. If you cannot use email, call your instructor to explain the difficulty using your mobile phone. If you need to discuss your grade or feedbacks you received from your instructor on an assignment, make an appointment with your instructor. This may be done in a visit during published office hours or via email or telephone contact. Students are responsible for keeping a copy of all graded assignments. Lacking a copy of graded work, no grade change or credit for a missing assignment is possible. Students must ensure that the assignment files are free of viruses before submitting them. Keep your virus detection software up to date. Should an assignment file fail scrutiny by our institution standard virus detection software, the student submitting it will be so advised by email. A virus-free version of the file must be submitted within 24 hours of the posting date of this email. Any subsequent failure to adhere to this requirement will cause an assignment to be unacceptable. If an assignment is not accepted because this policy is not adhered to, a 0 grade will be recorded for the assignment. Gadget policies. The use of the cell phones, tablets, and other similar electronic communication gadgets are basic requirements for the study of this course. It is highly advised that these phones and tablets are kept free from other apps which may distract the students' attention and which may slow down the gadget's performance. Coursework. Students' outputs shall be accomplished as specified by the herein assigned instructor and must be submitted on time and in the formats specified. Academic consultation. Student needing academic assistance can avail the academic counseling and the other mentoring programs. Instructor's referral through the Student Affairs Services SAS office should be done. Technical assistance. If you need technical assistance at any time during the course or to report a problem with the JBLFMU LMS or with Zoom or with the pertinent technology for the study of this course, You can chat with the JBLFMU e-learning technical support staff. Seek assistance from the e-learning help desk, JBLFMU Molo campus. JBLFMU would appreciate if you let us know whatever difficulties you encountered in your study and in your use of the course material, as well as on anything that could improve the course in its delivery, so that changes could be made for the continual improvement. And that was the orientation of our course. Hope a fruitful semester with you, and see you on the next video.